Once the streams of flour, protein, and vibrant vegetables converge, the high-speed mixers begin the homogenization process. This complex apparatus, the heart of the operation, processes the raw materials under intense pressure, as indicated by the gauges.
As the giant screw rotates, the raw dough is compressed and heated. This friction cooks the mixture, transforming it.
This is the birth of the balanced nugget.
Here we see the extrusion process complete as the hot kibble is carried into the vast multi-level industrial dryer.
The freshly dried kibble, still radiating heat, moves rapidly down the line. It enters the cooling tunnel. Inside the cooling tunnel, ambient air circulates gently over the kibble, bringing it down to a stable temperature before packaging.
The cooled kibble enters a large, rotating drum. This is the coating machine, where the final layer of flavor and nutrients will be applied. Nozzles spray a fine coating of liquid fats and flavor enhancers onto the kibble as it tumbles, ensuring each piece is evenly coated.
The nuggets are coated with a fine golden mist, enriching the color and ensuring a palatable texture. The finished kibble cascades into the massive holding silo, ready for the final stage of packaging. Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures that every bag is filled with the perfect amount of our balanced formula.
Mission accomplished.
The synchronized movements of the MC5000 robot ensured geometric precision. Stack.
The AGV system can lift pallets dozens of feet high, optimizing every inch of the massive facility.
This facility houses millions of meals, all stored with incredible efficiency, ready to be shipped around the globe.
Keep it coming straight back.
How far back do I have?
You're good. Stop right there.
The forklift carefully places the final pallet, utilizing the space with maximum efficiency before reversing out.
The product is secure and ready to roll.
A single truck, yet it represents the vast network of distribution moving across the country.
The purchase is made. The journey from factory to cart is complete.
Here is your... Thank you, Lou. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Showcasing true vitality, this energetic beagle is a perfect example of how good nutrition translates to boundless energy.
A beacon of ceaseless production and innovation. The lights hum with activity. The end of the journey.